Hello world, welcome to my channel. My name is Saravanan Nadar and in this video we are going to learn comprehension and sorting methods. One of the methods. Let's start with comprehension. Comprehension can be applied on list, dictionary and tuple. Comprehension is nothing but the alternative way of writing a couple of lines consisting of for loop and with or without if condition in a single line. Let's see list comprehension. Let's say a list numbers and I wanna square the number if it is greater than equal to 6. Then I need to write numbers equals to in square bracket all of the numbers above 6 get square and updated at numbers. The syntax is quite simple. The control starts from this for loop. It iterates the numbers present inside the numbers list by copying each digit into variable I and checking a condition if my I number is greater than equal to 6. The control gets passed to here and you can write any expression you want to perform to the value extracted. In short, this is gonna iterate the values inside list, this is going to filter the value, and this is going to perform the expression of the extracted value. List comprehension can also be performed without if condition, that is removing the if condition. This is gonna iterate all of the values present inside list and square each and every value and present as the new list. All of the values get squared up. Tuple comprehension is quite same as this. Let's take the same example with a tuple. The only difference would be that you need to specify the tuple function and the result would be same. Now let's move on to dictionary comprehension. We can produce a dictionary out of a list like this. I colon I into I for I in numbers. Herein it is going to iterate the numbers present inside the numbers list one by one and going to produce an dictionary with expression as I colon I into I. Let's test it. Yes, the key values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and the values are the square of as that of it. Now let's produce a dictionary comprehension out of a dictionary. and J into J, J numbers dot. Let's test it. Yeah. Here what is happening is we are iterating the dictionary using for loop, wherein we are using the dot items function to extract the each I colon j values and performing the expression wherein I am squaring the values and keeping the key value as it is. Yes, we are done with comprehension. Now let's see sorting method. We have already seen sort method. Now I would like to introduce to you a sorted method. Let's take a list. And print the syntax for sorted method is quite easy. You need to pass the list to it, and it's going to sort in ascending order by default. And if you wanna reverse it, by default it's false. Yeah, the reverse gets printed. Now let's take a list with string values. By default it would get sorted based on alphabetical order, with given the uppercase values gets more priority as that of smaller case. If you wanna sort based on length, then in sorted method you can pass a keyword with a value as length, then it would sort based on length irrespective whether it's uppercase or lowercase. str.lower as key value is going to sort alphabetically irrespective if it's upper or lower. It does it by converting each string value into lower, then sorting it. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye for now.